show up here in the second half. And speaking of, third quarter is here. The Blazers and the Pirates featured in our first game today. If you guys just tuned in, if the Blazers win, they secured number 1 in the team standings and going into the Final Four. If LPU wins, they secure number 4 and will eliminate a playoff game against EAC.
First play pa lang kay Liwag kagad sila pumunta. So alam na natin kung paano aatake ng opensa yung Vinyl Blazers.
So, from the last few minutes of the second quarter up until now, it's a 9-0 run now for Vinyl. Aviles, too strong with the left. And the Blazers look to tie or take the lead with a three-pointer. I think they haven't done since the first frame. They go to Alin Liwag. Liwag with 12 points already. He's doubled. Sampo the short stab. Way off.
Yun ang magandang adjustment na ginawa ng LPU kay Liwag. They cannot double right away kasi mas nahihirapan sila mag-rotate. So kailangan talaga yung timing ng double or help. Tamang-tama.
And it's hard to do that, especially in real-time, diba? Yung mga game na ganito, especially, iba rin yung posisyonan nito ni Liwag. Renz Villegas throws it away. Pinasahan si Coach Ralph. Ready naman si Coach. Naka-rubber
Triple
na
threat.
eh.
Triple.
So ngayon, puntahan natin mula sa dugout. Nandito ang ating courtside reporter na si Alia Fideliaga. Alia.
We are here united as one. This race is more than just a pre-game chant as the Vinyl Blazers want to live out their mantra in the way that they play for today's game. During the halftime break, Coach Charles Yu asked of his team to play excellent defense, take care of the ball, and capitalize on their size. Dagdag pa ni Coach Charles, I want to win this game and I hope you want it as much as I do. So let's see if the Tap Squad's renewed spirit can help them fight and rise as one to secure this victory. That's all from courtside. Back to you, Martin Coach.
Well, Alia, Vinyl has fought their way back in this one. From 16 points down in our second quarter, they're now back in front, 47-46. Ito si Mark Sampo, yung nakakuha ng tres kanina. Aviles, mid-range J is good. So LPU, just like that, is back in front.
Laking bagay yung puntos ni Aviles na yun. Na-break na yung run ng Vinyl Blazers.
It's tit for tat now here in the third. Jomel Ancheta, closely eyed by Villegas. Ancheta thought about it. Cross-court pass here. Sanko, balik sa labas. Shot clock winding down. Ancheta, oh! Beats the buzzer.
Alam niya talaga kung kailan siya mag-step up, no? Alam niya.
Third triple for Ancheta. 13 points in the game. Pocket pass here, and Aviles with back-to-back baskets.
Maganda. Good execution doon sa ball screen offense na yun.
This is only our second deadlock of the game, 50 apiece. 3 minutes gone here in the third. Both teams doing a great job in preserving their fouls as well. Sanchez, no, difficult shot for Justin Sanchez. Here is Renz Villegas. He races the other way. Villegas supposed to trigger. Too quick. Panik sa kanya. Reload. Yes!
Yan yung mga naririnig mo sa coach na no, yes!
Yeah.
Diba yung energy ni Villegas, no?
Bad shot. Nung napasok, good shot. Villegas puts it in. That's his first basket of the game. Enot will attack. Enot gets the whistle. 2 shots coming up here for Tony Enot.
Gusto natin tingnan dito, bantayan yung conditioning ni Liwag.
Yeah.
First 3 quarter, ilang minutes na yung ginagawa, banggaan sa loob. So kailangan talaga ubusin nila yung gasolina.
Yeah.
Banggain, they need to be physical on Liwag.
Yeah, ito si Alin Liwag. He must be exhausted kasi grabe yung work rate niya on both ends of the court.
He will rim run, he will go for offensive rebounds. After the rim run, he will seal inside.
Yeah.
Napakahirap talaga nun.
Ang masakit lang, Coach Ralph, para dito sa LPU, Pangatlong foul na yun. Ito ni Genesis Aviles who has been playing well dito sa third quarter. And he has actually allowed the LPU to keep up with Benilde.
Malaking bagay talaga si Aviles doon. Again, the size. After Aviles, mukhang biglang liliit na sila eh.
Yeah, precisely. Here's Renz Villegas still pull back. Ato Barba. Barba is shadowed here by Sanchez. Ato still has it. Barba to Bravo. Bravo with daylight. Too strong. Rebound. Secured by Liwag. Ito na si Jomel Ancheta. Baseline move. Sanchez almost stolen. Liwag off the bank.
Ang ganda ng adjustment na sa defense ng Benilde Blazers kay Barba. Every time na nasa ball screen, nakikita natin yung length nila. Kaya nilang bumantay kay Barba ngayon. Mahahaba yung nilagay nilang defender kay Barba.
Yeah. 14 puntos para kay Liwag. Justin Sanchez races the other way. And the Blazers are back ahead. Barba, feed. Sikip na sa ilalim. LPU will execute. Oh, what a move! Hindi nga na naipasok ni Bravo. Empty trips for LPU. Inot, inside pass. Metulak. That's gonna be on the ground. Sanchez is looking for the unsportsmanlike foul, but this call will stick.
At this point, dapat talaga mag-execute pa rin ng medyo nagiging wild na yung atake ng LPU ngayon.
Oh, timeout muna tayo. Benilde with a 2-point lead halfway through here in the third.
Hindi mawawala yung pressure kasi baguhan yung namin, yung team namin, madaming nawala, madaming mga rookies. Pero syempre, hindi kami magpapadala sa pressure na yun.
Malaking adjustment kasi karamihan po sa amin mga rookie po, mga bago, tsaka
16-point turnaround in this game. Blazers coming alive, climbing back from 16 points down, and now they're back in front by 2. And it is through these plays that they are getting their points. Justin Sanchez with the most recent basket, finishing with the left hand on the break. Napakahirap talaga talunin itong Benilde Blazers.
Akala natin magkakaroon na ng breakaway, no? Pero yung composure ng Benilde Blazers, alam mo, yan yung reason ba't sila naging number 1. No? Ngayon ang LPU naman, kailangan wag sila magpanic. No? They still need to run the plays. Tapos i-focus pa rin nila yung defense nila kasi nagre-rely sila ngayon sa offense. They keep on running, they're getting wild.
And that's actually how they got the big lead in the first half. Forcing a bunch of turnovers on the Blazers. And just playing honest defense at the half court. Sanchez, nalibre sa ilalim.
Ang ganda ng basa ng Benilde Blazers to, no?
So now the Blazers open up a 4-point lead. Their biggest so far. 57-53. Naiwanan ng LPU. How will they counter? Daileg spins, takes, and gets the bounce.
Kailangan nila yung scoring ni Daileg. He needs to be more aggressive this time.
First 2 points since the first quarter for Daileg. Ancheta pulls the trigger. Off the back iron. It is with Villegas. 3-on-2. LPU doesn't have the numbers. Guadagna fakes it. One dribble pull-up is good for Maclon. 4 unanswered now for LPU. We're back to square one. 57 apiece. 7 puntos na para dito kay Maclon Guadagna. Tony Inot silent in the game. Inot has the Ileg on the switch. Inot, kaboom! Breaking his silence with that triple.
Harapan yun, ha? May defense in front.
4 points for Tony. First field goal after going 0 out of 3 in his first shots. Renz Villegas. That was a quick drive and he finishes with the left.
Tama ngayon na natin. He's getting aggressive. Pagdating ng third, ang hirap nun ha. Right to left finish. Tama ngayon.
Pinot. Pocket pass. Masyado malakas para kay Liwag. Here's Ato Barba. Barba going coast to coast.
Very composed, no? Ha?
10th lead change. Barba, his first 2 points in the second half. Sanchez. Liwag has Versosa. Liwag will bully his way to the rim, but a foul on the floor. Coach Gilbert was actually looking for the offensive foul, and Macled Guadagna with a one-dribble pull-up here. Tony Inot, gutsy shot as the shot clock was winding down para dito sa Binial. Pero si Renz Villegas nagsisimula na. Starting to make some noise again. Ato Barba, unstoppable on the break. LPU ahead by 1.
Siguro mas challenging mag-defend. Makikita namin yun. First time namin mag-defend ng ground this season. And siguro other teams na gusto talaga kaming talunin. And
Leco will center with 2 minutes and 42 seconds left here in the third quarter. Abante ulit dito ang LPU. It's been a quarter of runs so far, Coach Ralph.
Actually, nakita natin, we appreciate the effort ni Versosa no, sa mga last plays. Pero pinapakita pa rin ni Allen how big he is, how strong he is doon sa paint na yon. Nagkakaroon ng different looks, nagbibigay ng zone si LPU. Ang problem, tumama kagad itong St. Benil, so binata kagad nila, bumalik ulit sila sa man. Good thing, si LPU, nagkakaroon pa rin sila ng transition points. Si Villegas nagiging aggressive compared to sa first half na poor performance niya.
That's right. Tama ka dun, Coach. Although, mas magandang scheme against Liwag yung zone. Ay nakakashoot sa 3. Katulad nito, Torres. Mendez. Liwag, no. Sanchez, ow! Bouncing out.
Yung offensive rebound na yun, yun din ang pwedeng ibigay ng zone defense nila.
Barba out of control. Blazers have the numbers. Liwag, wow! Great D by Guadagna. Smothering Liwag on the fast break.
Kala ko may highlight na jam eh, no?
Sabi ni Maclod, teka lang.
Highlight the block pala.
Ito. Nawala ang bola kay Ato Barba. Pometa. Torres. Getting into their big guy. And Maclod Guadagna. Yeah, just got up in the air first. Pometa. Pocket pass. Sanchez secures this one off the window.
It's really hard to decide a defensive scheme doon sa lineup ng St. Benil.
Yeah, a lot of players can manufacture points and create their own shots. Ito si Ato Barba. Guadagna blowing by. Maclod to the cup.
Good attack by Guadagna, no? Napasa niya. Medyo late yung help ni Liwag doon. So nakakuha siya ng clear 2 points.
He's got 9 points. Shooting better here after a slow start. Sanchez decides to shoot. Off to the right. Oh, we have a foul on the rebound. This is going to be against Versosa.
Nakikita mo yung frustration ni Versosa eh. Ang hirap talaga i-back out ni Liwag. Hindi na siya malaki, malikot pa siya. So hindi mo na siya nafe-feel. Nasa harapan na pala siya.
Yeah. Ito yung galaw ni Maclod Guadagna. Kanina si Sanchez yung pumuntos para sa Benilde. Yeah, it's exhausting to guard Allen Liwag. Grabe yung activity nito sa court. Aviles is back on the floor with the 3 personal fouls. So, Coach Gilbert will roll the dice. At atakin siya kaagad ni Allen Liwag. Liwag! That's an offensive foul.
Extend niya yung elbow niya eh, no?
Yeah, we saw that elbow
Maganda
stuck
talaga yung
out.
matchup na binibigay ni Aviles eh. Yung timbang, yung weight niya, medyo nacha-challenge dun si ano eh,
Yeah.
si Liwag.
Grabe yung dinideadlift siguro nito ni Aviles. Kasi you need to be, well, kailangan mabigat dinideadlift mo para ganun ka stable, ano?
Oh, stable.
Oo. Lalo na if that kind of guy, ganun kalaki, ganun kabigat, yung bumabangga sa'yo.
Correct. Pine-preserve niya ngayon si Aviles. Nung nilabas ngayon si Liwag, siguro baka makakuha pa na ng foul to. Iupo ko na muna.
So both coaches making some changes. Antonio Sebio back on the court with Matthew Oli and John Morales. Samantala para dito sa LPU, JM Bravo nagbabalik. Maklud Godanya stops, pulls back, and they go to JM here against Morales. Bravo, his turn to back down, carving space. What a move
Kita
by JM
nila,
Bravo.
wala na si Liwag, wala nang rim protector. They're going inside right now.
Talagang as soon as Liwag leaves the court,
Nagliwanag yung mata nila inside the paint.
mas guminhawa ang buhay para sa LPU. Matthew Oli straight away. No. Nakagawa niya magkakampi. Ball is loose. It stays with Benilde. Tignan natin to. JM Bravo left on an island. Binura si Morales and he scores that one off the glass.
Bigat din. Lumapad actually yung pahinga ni Bravo, lumapad siya, no?
65-62. Lumapad si Bravo nung nagkaroon siya ng break nung na-injure. Yeah. 7 to shoot. It is with Ian Torres. Cometa, 2 to shoot. Forced to take. Wala. Battle for the ball. It ends up with Bravo. Ito na si Greg Cunanan. Final shot time for the Pirates. Guadagna. 8 seconds to work with. Being hounded by Oli. Foul.
Senyas ni Coach Charles, meron silang fouls to give pa.
Madami pa.
Marami pa.
Actually.
Oh.
Yeah. So, 5.6 left. Cab Cometa, that is his third foul. So, si Kahukom,
Yes, magpapasok to ng mga players na hindi nasa foul trouble.
so Cunanan as the trigger guy, 5.6 left. Ato Barba against Eusebio. Foul on the floor against Anton. So 2.1 left for LPU.
One more foul.
Now, Benilde has to be careful.
Yeah.
Kasi LPU, baka mag-quick shot to
Yes, oo. And alam nila na foul, talagang kukunin nila yung tira.
Taileg of the inbound, no. And that's how we will end the third quarter action. It is LPU restoring order and holding on to this lead, 65-62. 10 more minutes to decide this one. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.